Do you think North Macedonia and Albania will start EU accession negotiations in December this year?
I'm trying to do my best to achieve this goal. First, we need the green light to start the final preparation of negotiations, and then and again it's a merit-based procedure. And of course we need the consent of our member states, but I'm doing my best to get this done.
So do you think it's possible that these two countries will get a green light in October instead of June this year?
Well, there are some discussions, but I'm focused to have a decision before summer, because this was always our intention. We will present our annual report in 2 weeks' time, where we will certainly give a positive recommendation for both countries. Of course, there's always some work which still has to be done, but I think in particular when it comes to North Macedonia, I think we have to acknowledge the huge progress this country has made in overcoming its bilateral conflicts, which is a precondition for future membership. Also, the judicial reform in Albania is something which has to be awarded. So in that respect, I think this is assessed in a positive way by our member states.
It sounds to me that you might want to decouple these two countries. Is that true?
No, my aim was always to keep them together, and we have to see what are the discussions in the European Council about the two countries. I mean, if I look at the conditions we have agreed with our partners, based on unanimous decision of all member states, we have to acknowledge that both countries have delivered, and now it's up to the member states to make their political assessment.